The Envious Neighbor. What is the lesson name? The Envious Neighbor. This is a famous Japanese folk tale. Okay, very famous Japanese folk tale. What does it mean by folk tale? நம்ம வீட்டில் தாத்தா பாட்டி சொல்கிற கதைகள் இருக்குல்ல, அது போல் அந்த ஊர் கதைகள், ஜாப்பனீஸ் ஸ்டோரி. Okay, moral stories like. Okay, today I am going to teach you the paragraph. See here in 9th standard you have to write the paragraph for 8 marks. How many marks? 8 marks. So you have to write the full story. They will give us the hints. They will give the hints. You have to develop the hints. That is the supplementary portions for you. So for supplementary, they will ask questions like that only in 9th standard. They will give the hints of the story. Somewhat you have to use the hints and you have to write the full story. Okay, children. Today I am going to teach you this Envious Neighbor. It is a supplement. It is the supplementary. I am going to teach this. First of all, I am going to say the story. What is the story? Means about the noble couple and envious couple. Who is in the next door? See, there were a couple, old couple, kind couple. Couple means what? Tambagiyar appdi solvaanga. They both were very old and also very kind. They had a pet dog. They had a pet dog. They feed that pet dog with the tidbits. Tidbit means what? Kitchen la irukக்கூடிய சிறு சிறு துண்டுகள் அப்படி சொல்வாங்க. Food items, foods. Tidbits வச்சு தான் feed பண்ணுவாங்க. Kitchen la இருக்கிற tidbits வச்சு feed பண்ணுவாங்க. They don't have child. So the pet dog they made more importance for that pet dog. Okay. One day when they are working in the garden, the dog sniffed in some particular place. Then the dog started to wag his tail and they started to sniff there. So they found it is strange. Started to bark also. So what they did means they digged that place. When they digged the place, they got the treasure full of gold and silvers. Many valuable things are there in that box. They got the treasure. This was heard by the next door neighbor, envious couple. They were very envious. Envious means jealous. Okay, பொறாமை பிடிச்ச couple இருக்காங்க இந்த next door பக்கத்து வீட்ல. So that neighbor borrowed the dog one day and they presented a feast for the dog, but the dog didn't eat anything. He didn't eat anything, but they forced the dog to sniff. They pulled the dog they tied the dog and pulled it to their garden and they forced the dog to find some place. But it didn't do anything, but the dog sniffed in one place. They think that this is the valuable, this is the place where the treasure was in their house. So they started to dig, but what happened? They didn't get anything. They get only waste things there. So that envious couple got angry and killed the dog. Okay. After that, what they did means they killed and they buried it under the pine tree. Okay. Time's gone, but they didn't return the dog. But in the dream of that old noble couple, the dog appeared and said what happened there. And they said to cut that pine tree. The dog instructed that noble couple to cut the pine tree and make a mortar. Mortar means what? Oral சொல்றோம்ல அதுதான் oral செய்ய சொல்லுது. ஓகேவா? So what they did means they went to that neighbor. They forgiven that person. Okay, that means what? அவனை மன்னிச்சிடுறாங்க. கொன்னுட்டாங்க அவனோட பெட் டாக கொன்னோம். அவனை மன்னிச்சிட்டு சரி அந்த பைன் ட்ரீயை கொடுங்கன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டு கட் பண்ணிட்டு வராங்க. They made a mortar. When they grind the rice in that mortar, all the grind become gold and valuable things. Now see here, after the death also that pet dog helped that noble couple, because when they got the gold in the first time, they didn't used for, not only they used for them, they gave to many poor people also. They are very kind to everyone. Okay, so this time what happened? The noble couple made the mortar and they grind the rice. All the rice became gold and every valuable things. Then they became very happy and they are giving to others and they were living a peaceful life. But what happened? This was heard by that envious neighbor again. Then they came and they borrowed the mortar too. When they grind the rice in that mortar, it becomes a dirt. They got only dirt things. So again they became angry and they burned the mortar and they broke and burned the motor. Okay. Now again in the dream, that pet dog informed what happened there and asked the noble couple to collect the ashes of that burnt motor. Okay. So as per the wish of the dog, this noble couple went and begged the ashes, begged. See here, ashes of food, the ashes they are couldn't சொல்லி கெஞ்சி வாங்குறாங்க. ஓகேவா? So what happened? When they sprinkled that ashes on the withered trees, withered and காஞ்சு போன மரத்துல கூட they become alive with the blossoms. அது என்ன ஆகுது? அந்த மரம்லாம் அப்படியே பூத்து குலுங்க ஆரம்பிக்குது. காஞ்சு போன மரங்கள்லாம். They tried this in front of the prince. இளவரசருக்கு முன்னாடி ட்ரை பண்றாங்க. All the withered trees became alive. So what happened? The prince were happy and rewarded the noble couple. The third time again the envious neighbor heard that news and they tried the same thing with the remaining ashes, rest of the ashes. But what happened? Nothing happened. The ashes flew into the eyes of the prince. The prince got angry and he punished them severely. See here about the noble people how they will be, the envious people how. This is the difference between the two neighbors. Okay. So what happened now? All those things are heard by that noble couple. So the noble couple didn't get angry. What they did last means they went and advised that envious couple and they give half of the shares of their properties to that envious couple and they made them to feel ashamed by giving the properties. So the noble couple mended the envious couple to the good person. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் கேள்விப்பட்டு அவன் இப்படியே தான் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான், நம்ம சொத்துல பாதியை கொடுத்தா அவன் கண்டிப்பாக திருந்திடுவான்னு சொல்லி அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருக்கிற அந்த பாதியை கொடுத்து இனிமேல் இந்த தவறுகளை செய்யாத நல்லவனாக இருன்னு சொல்லி அவனையும் திருத்துறாங்க. அதுதான் நோபல் பர்சனோட ஒரு கேரக்டர். தட் திஸ் கேரக்டர் we as a human being we should have that character. நம்மளுக்கு இப்படி செஞ்சாங்க அப்படி செஞ்சாங்கன்னு கோவப்படுறது கிடையாது. நமக்கு ஒருத்தவங்க தவறே செய்தாலும் அவங்கள மன்னிச்சு அவங்களையும் நல்வழிப்படுத்துகிற இடத்துல நம்ம இருப்போம். அதுதான் இந்த ஸ்டோரி, the envious neighbor story. Okay children, shall we see the paragraph now? I am going to read out the paragraph. The envious neighbor. See here, write the summary of the story, the envious neighbor. That is the question I have given here. But they won't give questions, they will give us a hints only. Okay, you have to develop the hints. In the story, the old farmer and his wife were leading a peaceful life with their pet dog. Again I am reading. In the story, the old farmer and his wife were leading a peaceful life with their pet dog. One day, with the help of their pet dog, they found a treasure in their garden. With that wealth, and this wealth, they helped the poor people around them. அவங்க சுத்தி இருக்கிற poor people. And also uplifted their life too. அவங்க வாழ்க்கை தரத்தையும் உயர்த்திட்டாங்க. See here. On hearing their, so two times I have written there. On hearing their neighbor, on hearing this, what do you have to write here? On hearing this, T-H-I-S. On hearing this, their neighbor couple who were very jealous about them borrowed the dog and tried the same, but they were disappointed and thus they killed the dog and buried the dog under a pine tree. The lovable dog, even after his death, helped the farmer couple by telling them to cut the pine tree where he was buried and make mortar from it. While they were grinding the rice in the mortar, all it turned into gold and valuable things. Once again, hearing this, the envious couple borrowed the mortar and used it, but all turned into dirt. They grew very furious. Furious means what? Angry. And broke the mortar and burnt it. The dog informed the farmer and instructed him to take the ashes of the burnt mortar and sprinkle them on the withered trees. The old man begged the envious neighbor and got back the ashes. He tried it before the prince and revived it. Revived means what? Pudipikkirathu. All the withered trees in the country. The happy prince rewarded him. For the third time, the envious neighbor tried his luck by gathering and using the ashes before the prince. The ashes flew into the prince's eyes and mouth, and thus the angry prince punished him and drove them away. See here, I am going to write here, and drove them away. Drove them away. On hearing it, the kind couple advised them and gave them a share of their wealth. Thus their kindness mended the envious neighbor and made them lead a peaceful life. Drove them away. On hearing it, the kind couple advised them and gave them a share of their wealth. Thus their kindness mended the envious neighbor and made them lead a peaceful life. This is the paragraph, children. You have to write like this only. At least you have to write 2 pages. At least 2 pages. It is 1.5 pages. Okay. This is the paragraph that you have to learn and write 2 times today's homework. Otherwise, you can learn and write self-test also. Okay. Self-test is okay, not 2 times homework. You have to learn and write self-test. This is the homework for you, children. Don't forget to write the homework. Okay. Write self-test. Thank you, children.